In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change how often a link is refreshed whenever you have one workbook linked to another workbook in Excel. So having one workbook linked to another Excel workbook is very helpful because it can make it to where the workbook that you're working in is much leaner and easier to use. However, it can create challenges when your links to your other files are not open and it throws a bunch of valid errors. So to change this, you can go to Data, and then from here, you're going to click on under Queries and Connections Workbook links right here. And from here, you're going to want to click on this little settings icon right here, where from here, you're going to see three different options. One is asking for refreshing links. This is the middle conservative one, and it makes it where you can refresh your links, but it's not going to always refresh. Auto refresh is helpful because whenever you have a link open, or your workbook's open, the links will always be refreshing. But only really use this option if you're always having these different files that are linked together, saved in the same spot, or open at the same time. And the last option is don't refresh. This is very helpful if you're sending something to another person, or if you are trying to review a file without opening the files that your workbook is linked to. I personally prefer ask to refresh, but I can see instances where don't refresh is very applicable. You're just reviewing the file and you don't want the files that are being linked to refresh. It was just particularly helpful if you have a bunch of different links, different bunch of workbooks that your links is linked to. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.